Welcome again. My name is Dr. Zia. So, this is my seventh lecture on leadership lecture series. Today, we are going to talk about sources of leaders' power. Where does the power come to leader? So, what are the sources of leaders' power? There are various sources of leaders' power. Let me explain them here. First of all, I would list them down and then I would explain one by one. Number one is expert power. Number two is reward power. Number three is referent power. Number four is coercive power. Number five is legitimate power. So let's talk about the first power, that is called expert power. What is expert power? Expert power is a power of knowledge or expertise, as the name suggests. It is the ability to use influence to build others and supply needed information and skills. Number two, reward power. What is reward power? It is the ability to deliver something of value to others either in a tangible form or intangible form due to control over desired outcomes. Number third, coercive power. It is the ability to administer punishment, means coercion, punishment, or to give negative sanctions or even removal of positive reinforcement. I'll talk about positive as well as negative reinforcement in my upcoming lectures. There's a confusion between positive and negative reinforcement. Okay, number fourth is referent power. What is referent power? Referent power is the ability to influence others that arise when one person admires another. Next one is called legitimate power. Legitimate power is the ability, it gives you an ability or the leader an ability to use rights to prescribe behavior with specified parameters due to organizational role or formal or even what I call official authority. Okay, let's define influence. Most of the times we understand that leaders, they have influence. If a leader is having the influence, it means the leader can get the work done. So what is the definition of influence? I would request you to pause my video and comment below what do you understand by influence or the term influence. All right. So influence means it brings the change in the target agent's attitude, value, belief, or behaviors, or even the degree of actual change. So, on the basis of it, let me tell you that one person's actual influence or actual behavior is designed in such a way to change another person's attitude, values, beliefs, or behavior. So, influence is comprised of three ingredients. Number one, the change in the target agent's attitude. If the attitude is changed, or attitude's values or beliefs, even attitude, value, or belief, if anything is changed, it means the influence occurred, it happened. Number two, it is the degree of actual change. So, if there is an actual change happened in results, that is called influence. And finally, the overall results or the performance of something or in the target. On the basis of this definition, so let's see leaders' influence tactics. There are some tactics leaders use to influence the people. So, do you want to know the tactics leaders use to influence others? Obviously, I believe that everybody would say yes. So, influence tactics, there are different types of influence tactics. Here, I would be sharing with you Very, very important, 8 influence tactics a leader can use to influence others or to get the work done or to bring change in the target. Number 1, rational persuasion tactic. Number 2, inspirational tactic. Number 3, consultation tactic. Number 4, ingratiation tactic. Number 5, personal tactic. Number 6, collation tactic. Number 7, pressure tactic. Number 8, legitimizing tactic. Alright, my dear viewers, let's now go in detail of each tactic and how we can use it, how a leader can use it. Rational persuasion tactic. Number 1. It is used when an agent uses logical arguments or factual evidence to influence others, bringing the data or information or arguments. So that's called rational persuasion tactics. In this way, a leader creates persuasion or pursues the target or the followers or the employees. Number 2, inspirational tactic. Inspirational tactic is used when people make a request or proposal designed to arouse enthusiasm or emotions in the target. So a leader uses a sort of what we call soft power to inspire others, to create inspiration, and then the target gets motivated and gets the work done. Number 3, consultation tactic. Consultation tactic is used when agent asks target to participate in planning and activities. In this way, the target feels that he or she is actual part of that team, that project, or that program. In this way, it is called consultation tactics. At the end, the leader gets the work done. The next tactic is called personal tactic. When I talk about personal tactic, here it is asking other to do a favor out of relationship, out of friendship, out of something you want, some link, some network. So this is called personal tactic, based on personal relationship or friendship or network. Collation tactic, this is the next tactic. The leader uses this tactic when seeking the aid or support of others to influence the target. So in collation tactic, the leader gathers the team, gathers the stakeholders or shareholders or different groups and makes a coalition to influence the target and bring change in the organization or in the team. The next is called pressure tactic. The leader uses it when some mistake or mistakes occur. So the leader keeps it as a tactic to get the work done. The last one is called legitimizing tactic. Legitimizing tactic is used for making requests based on their position or what I call authority. So we covered these leadership tactics, influence tactics, including rational persuasion tactic, inspirational tactic, consultation tactic, ingratiation tactic, personal, collation, pressure, and legitimizing tactic. I hope you liked this lecture on leadership influence tactics. My name is Dr. Zia. Please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that the new lectures would come to you directly without any interruption, and share. I thank you very much and see you in my next lecture.